Hello everyone, I am Akashdeep Shah. It's a privilege to be selected and be able to present my work at DAC Young Fellow Program. This work Loafer, SAT Hardened Logic Embedding on Block Cipher is a joint work with Shayandeep Shah, Siddhartha Choudhury, Professor Devdeep Mukhopadhyay, my guide, and Professor Bhargav Bhattacharya from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I begin with a quick note on the title. Why loafer? Loafer generally means casual shoe that fits every occasion. Our title loafer derives its name from the combination of logic and cipher. Just as shoes carry feet protecting them, likewise the cipher carries along with it a circuit. Block ciphers are cryptographic constructs used for encryption and decryption. Given a pair of input and output, it should be difficult to guess the key. They are well-formed structure and resistant to various attacks. Present is an example of a block cipher. S boxes as highlighted in this image perform substitution like bits x1, x2, x3 and x4 are replaced with y1, y2, y3 and y4. This mapping is often non-linear. We have seen that block cipher realize a mapping. So can it be used to realize a desired circuit which is also a mapping? Probably yes. A schematic representation of this idea is like a simple circuit of gates, and using block cipher components we have realized this circuit. For example, the ABC input of the circuit that generates the output O can be realized if the input ABC are fed into the block cipher at specific position, then the output O can be realized. We configure SBox as gates. This is the main crux. If a present cipher SBox, the last two bits are set to 1 and 1, then we get a NAND output of A and B. These bits of the SBox are set using a 2:1 mux inserted into the cipher. Loafer can be utilized in logic locking of circuits to prevent reverse engineering and other harmful modification of circuits like hardware trojan, and perhaps can save millions of dollars of IC manufacturing companies every year. Thanks.